Now the example 14.7, the evaporative cooling. Desert dwellers often wrap their heads with a water-soaked porous cloth. On a desert where the pressure is 1 atm, the temperature is 15 degrees C and the relative humidity is 10%. What is the temperature of this cloth? So this is often being used in order to cool down the head. So this is also the concept of when we feel sick or we have fever, then our mother will take a soaked type of cotton towel and put on top of our forehead to have the effect of cooling, so to bring down the temperature of our body, because we know that the highest temperature usually is at the head section. So to bring down the temperature or to bring down the fever temperature, so our mother used to take one wet cloth, usually it's cotton cloth, and then soak in water, warm water, and then put on top of our forehead. So this is called as the evaporative cooling. So that is how we bring down the temperature. So this is how also dwellers from the desert bring down the temperature of the head section. So this is the wet cloth being wrapped, covered at the head. So this is like adiabatic saturation temperature. Okay, so it's a wet bulb temperature. So we can use the analysis of wet bulb if we want to look at the mathematical analysis. But right now, what we are looking at is to solve the problem or to get the temperature of the air which is being cooled down using the psychrometric chart. So this is our psychrometric chart, and we try to look right here. This is 1 atm, so it's valid to use this psychrometric chart because this psychrometric chart is for 1 atm, and we plot the temperature of 50 and also the RH of 10%. So this is the value of 10% of relative humidity, and the temperature is 50 degrees C. So this is 50, this is 10%, so this is state 1. Then after the air is passed through the head, the soaked head, then we know that the air after the wet cloth is going to be a dry bulb temperature. So this is the process happen. This is our point 2. The air after flowing through the surface of that soaked cloth. So this is the condition. So this is your point 2. So from here we can determine what is the temperature of this cloth is equivalent to 23.7 degrees C. So you see, initially with no soaked cloth we had a temperature of 50. When it is soaked with water, it's becoming 23.7 degrees C. So this is what being called as the evaporative cooling effect. So what is this dweller feel? The heat of the temperature is brought down to 23.7 degrees C. So from the textbook, it's given here right here as 23.8 is about the same. Okay.